So today I want to demonstrate the maintenance of this gas heater, Scandia. So this happens once for each 2-3 years. The ignition is gonna get dirty and I need to clean. Otherwise, I'll show you how. So turn on the light, turn on ignition. It's not, now it's lighting. So it took about 10 seconds, but this time it's lucky. Sometimes it takes 30 seconds. And when this happens, either the battery to the ignition for outside is weak or need to do the cleanup. In my case, I need to do the cleanup. It's not too bad, but for this winter. So now it's pretty constantly work fine. But if I leave this for 2-3 days without using, it's gonna take 30 seconds. And I know it's getting dirty, so I'm gonna do the cleanup. So the first thing, there's a gas line coming here, and I need to turn off the gas pipe. So this is a tank, but we don't want to use this main, you can turn off this main bulb, but instead there's a joint. So this one, turn off. Okay. Second thing, so need to take this screw out. Then keep this notch so that it cold. So basically, I need to take this whole unit of this gas out and then clean the head. That's not really good easy way to do. So basically, here's the battery I replaced and it didn't work well. I need to disconnect this bulb and then pull this out. But before doing, I also need to disconnect this line. So I need to remember which one is which. So basically, this line is brown and what? Dangerous. This line is also brown. And then need to remember, so if we touch this, see, it's something happening. See, so be careful. This touching it. So that's why this has to be very safe over there. And I have to remember this to this. Okay. Wait, so this, I made a tag here, A to A, C to C, and B to B. And then I'm gonna disconnect this control panel. Now, this one, unscrew this way. Oh, still hard. Like that. Now nicely pull off. It's a little bit tight, so make straight and pull off. And then this is how it looks like. It's very sensitive. So basically this trumpet, it has to be very smooth and straight in order to make circle. And then put this glue again. So I'm gonna clean this part and then be ready to put it back. But we just leave it here. The main part of cleaning is this. So same thing. This is the part. Just clean nicely, and then head. See here. So basically, need to see. There's a lot of dust here. So basically, just clean this with some kind of. Let me see. Yeah. So this kind of dishwashing, and then kind of rub it, and then nicely clean. That's the way to clean it. Be careful not damaging this head. So this is how the head looks like. And then ignition, it also comes from here too. So I have to clean this and this here. Let's see if you can see well or not. Basically. Here, you need to have two parts, this part and this part. And then this is how the ignition looks like. So when I flip this one from this head ignition, there's a lot of this powder came out. I wonder I might have broke it. It might be necessary powder. And I see this notch here. So if I take this out, I might be able to pull this out, and then I wonder I might need to replace these parts. I hope not. So it kind of clean nicely, but this is kind of deteriorated here, see? So eventually, a few years later, this might get burned out. So I need to do some research. What's this? And also, what is this powder? Oh, a bunch came here, which is kind of scary. Hope I didn't break it. So for further examining, if I flip this powder, it actually is not coming this head, it's coming from this. So it's good. It's just like a lot of burning ash there. So it's good to clean here as well. Hope this works. But anyway, this ignition, this is sort of a consideration that in some point I might want to replace it. We'll see. Okay, so I cleaned this head nicely. And also I cleaned this trumpet nicely. So I need to put this cement kind of glue. It's not really cement, it's just like a molding stuff to prevent the leaking the gas. Okay, so I could successfully insert this gas head and then put some this molding stuff here and here too. So I'm gonna make a joint to connect something like that, and then screw it. Okay, so nicely screwed in. It's a little bit challenging to make alignment, but finally did it. So I need to make sure the gas is not leaking. So there's a soap water here. I'm gonna put this around that and then see if the bubble come or not. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on the gas. And then see. Momo, bring it. So I'm gonna put this soap here and see how that. Around here. Okay. It looks good. I don't see any bubble coming. Just complete-ish. It looks good. Just in your case, I didn't know that I accidentally pulled this one. It looked like just simple notch. So I had to push in and then squeeze by the wrench. I didn't know that. So look, see this cord, wire cord, this coming from right side. When I put this head in, but it's going under the pipe, so it's gonna get a little bit heated up. I need to put this onto the left side. That means I need to unscrew this again. Okay, so if this happens, I didn't need to do unscrew. I just need to lift it up like that, and then move this to left side. That'll be fine. Good. Okay, so this is the excited moment. Let's see if it works. Oh, I was on. That's why it was electrocuted. Dangerous. Okay. It worked. Turn off. Turn on. Let's see how the color of the fire going. We need the blue. Okay. Okay. That looks good. I don't smell gas. Looks nice.